So let's use Font Awesome, and I'm going to get Font Awesome CDN, and that's why I don't like Bing, because it's not giving the proper results. So Font Awesome, and you can see CDN.js. This is the one I want, and I just want the CSS and without any SRI tag. So to put that in our React, I will go to the public index, and anywhere inside head tag I'm going to paste the link. By doing this, I'm now able to create a simple I tag, and in that, if I give a class name for fast for times, then I should get the cross image or icon, yeah, like this. But let's move this on the right side. So let's make it absolute. So when I do absolute, it's moving at the center of the image. What if I say float right? No, actually that should be right 0. Okay, but in that way it's go to the screen, right of the screen. So once again I can create a simple div. Inside this div I am going to give relative, so class name as relative. By doing this, we are saying absolute, that this absolute should be relative to the parent div. Whenever you find a relative, then you can do that. Now if I try refresh the page, okay, still it is here. So once again you can inspect here, and on the inspect actually you can change the classes. So here we have a right 0. Okay, you can see right 0 is not doing proper things. And what if I give this div width of full, and like here, but you can see this is getting a width of full, but in that way we need to do one more thing. This is having a flex. So see, this is having a flex. And what if I include this image inside the div? And yeah, you can see we have the cross on the right. Now on the click of the cross, then I want to remove. First I'm going to give cursor pointer so that I have a pointer for these cross, and then I can move this on click totally from the image to this I. Here we have, and the index is same, everything is same. Now let's try. So we have this cross, and what if I click on the cross? Yes, it is working. Let's do one thing. This is not looking good whenever we have this cross. So what I can do, whenever first I can say text gray 200 only, so it's very light, and just like this. But once again what I can do, instead of this I can say opacity of 25, just 25 opacity. Yeah, that seems good. But when I hover over it, the opacity will be 100. Okay, in that case, whenever I go to the cross, yeah, you can see the cross become proper black. And now if I try to remove an image, yeah, it is working. That's amazing. But next task is I want to hover over the image, and then only I want to show the cross. You can see the cross is available on every image, but that cross should only be visible when I hover over the image. How we can do that with React only?